how to create Shazam account. So if you want to create Shazam account, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply go with search, and under search you need to search for Shazam. Now go with library, which is on the top left, and tap on settings again, which is on the top left. Scroll down, tap on sign in or sign up, and from here you need to tap on sign in with email or Google. You can choose anything. So I'll just simply go with Google, and then after tapping on sign in with Google, it will agree to collect all of the information: collection, use, processing, and transfer of your personal information in accordance with the privacy policy. So you can tap on I agree, select your Google account, and that's it. You've been signed in, right? Once you've signed in, or once you've logged into your account, now if you want to go with your concert, you can go with concert, which is on the top left, or here you will have Shazam. You can tap to Shazam, and that's it. That's how you can use it. So that's how you can create your Shazam account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.